morning student, here is your Priyanka Miss and today we are going to start with EVE and today's topic is our neighborhood. Now you come to know about your today's topic and that is our neighborhood. So let us know what is neighborhood. What do you mean by neighborhood? Neighborhood means the places near your home is called your neighborhood, and the people who are staying near your home in their own houses, they are known as your neighbors. And there are many places around your home, or you can say a neighborhood places, that just like school, college, then you can take as a market. These places are very important places for us. So let us visit some neighborhood places first, then we will discuss further. Places in the neighborhood. This is a park, market, bank, hospital, and here are the some places situated near our house for worship. School building, garden, and police station. You have visited some places near your home. Now let's start. See why we need to go that places, right? Yeah, there are many places, but why we should go there? Why we need to go there? What is the need of these places? So we go to school. The first one, we go to school for study. We go to market for buying vegetable, fruits, flowers, and many more our household things or other things which we need in our regular use. So we go to market every day. So police station, we go to police station if we have any problem regarding our safety or any other problem. So we go to police station, and if there is any problem regarding any fire case or any fire issues or accident take place, then we go to fire station, and this places we visit sometimes. Then post office, we go to post office. Why we go to post office? To send or receive letter. We go to park or garden every morning for jogging, and in the park I think you love to go because you go get chance of for playing full freely, right? So we go to park for playing, garden for our jogging and exercise. Next, hospital. If we fall ill or we feel sick, we go to hospital for our treatment. Bus stop, we go to bus stop every day, and the people who work, they have to go to bus stop so that they can reach their workplace, because if they will not go to bus stop, they will not get the bus. So we all have to go to bus stop to get the bus if we want to travel anywhere. So there are, you can see near your house, you can see temple, mosque, church, gurudwara. These places are also situated near our house, and we go there for worship. Now let's see some people in our neighborhood. They are too important to us. So let's meet them. Who are they and how they help us? We will discuss. He is a postman. He is a shopkeeper, a tailor, a doctor, a washerman, and here is a cobbler. You have seen some people who help us in our neighborhood. So you have seen this shopkeeper. He brings all the things from the market so that we can easily get it from one place. Then you have met the tailor. He stitches our clothes. You have seen the postman. He brings courier and letters for us at our home, so that we don't have to go out to get this letter and courier. So now you have seen the policeman also. So how this policeman help us? He protect us and our society and keeps our neighborhood safe. Similarly, now you see the doctor treat us when we fall sick, and there are many more people who help us in our daily life, and they stay near our home. And in this way, by doing such kind of things, they help us in our daily life and every day. So we must respect them also too, because they makes our life little bit easy. Because if they will not be there, just imagine if there is no shopkeeper, you have to go to the market and you have to search for the things and then you will get it. But if they are there, then you are getting the things at one place, in a one shop. Then if nobody will stitch your clothes, then how you will wear? So we need everyone. Every people have their own identity, and every people help. We should help every people. We should respect everyone, because everybody have their importance. So I think you have understand your chapter, and we should always respect our neighborhood persons, because they are only the people. Sometimes they come in our need too. So try to help your neighbors and your people, and as you met all the people who help you out. So I think you have understand the chapter. Try to solve the PDF, and thank you.